Good afternoon, my friends. Eh, I wait for you in the city of Bogota. Good. I want to invite you to know my beautiful city, Bogota city, with history, excellent gastronomy, parks, good rumba, and a great variety of shopping center. Um, you must bring a coat because the weather at heaven very cold. I want to tell you some information about city. Bogota has an altitude of 2640 above sea level. It has a colonial part that you should know. Also, also is a great mountain in the shores of volcano Cup Monserrate, where we climb and see uh, the Hope City. The Hope City. Okay. I can visit some museums and speak about the history of the city and our country. The city have a lot of shopping center that we can visit you by great clothes, maybe typical clothes, like sombrero volteado or a rana. Mm, you show typical desserts like ajiaco. This is a soup prepared with chicken, different types of potatoes, cob, capers, and is accompaniment with avocado. It's delicious. For breakfast, you should try the shangwa. It is a mixed soup with egg and bread is splendid and nutritious. Friend, I hope see you soon to be have a visit this place that will fascinate you. Bye.